Today Ava is showing us how she can eat with a spoon. She just took 2 spoonfuls of oxtail soup and got it into her mouth using her left hand. I know, it's yummy, isn't it? Use that spoon. Oh. Good job. You hear that? I think that's sleet hitting our window. You gonna get another spoonful up into your mouth? Fill her up. Are you stirring it? Tried and true. Get another spoonful. There you go. Good job. Oh, you're becoming a pro. You finished with the spoon for now? Gonna try your right hand now? You gotta get a good grip on it. Hold that whole handle. You're doing pretty good. All right, say bye-bye. Bye-bye to the camera.
Bye-bye.
Good job.